Rational number. In this video we will see the definition with explanation of rational number and examples of rational number. So let's start. First, the definition of rational number. In simple word we can say a number in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. I will explain you this definition very well. Let's go to examples first. As I said, the rational number in the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0 and p by q are integers. So here is the example: 1 by 2, 9 by 7, 8 by 9, 2 by 3, minus 7 by 8, minus 9 by 13, 29 by 7. Let's go on to the explanation of definition of rational number. The explanation of the definition. As I said that rational number should be in the form of p by q. P is called numerator and q is denominator. Here p and q both should be integers. As we know what are integers, I already made a video on whole number, natural numbers and integers. Now I will explain you here also what are integers. For example, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These whole are integers. This is called negative integers and these are positive integers. These positive integers are also called whole number, and the number including from here 0 to here is natural number. Including 0 is called natural numbers. So this is called integers. P and q should be integers, but q cannot be equal to 0. Now why q can't be equal to 0? Let's explain this. If q will be equal to 0, let's suppose, as I given you examples, as the rational number should be like 1 by 2, 2 by 3, like this. If q is equal to 0, then 1 by 0, 2 by 0. Is these numbers exist? No. Why? Because there is no any number with whom you will multiply 0 and you will get the value 2. In this way, I proved you that how the definition of rational number works. It should be in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, but q can't be equal to 0. I hope this video will help you in all the explanation of definition of rational number. There are lots of things to learn in the rational number. I will come up with all the videos. Thank you for watching. If you not subscribed till now, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Have a nice day.